Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Haka jingrakhe ya ka World Environment Day ki Nongshong Shnong jong ka Lachaumiere kilami banishimenta haka jingya Kjat ka ba kilometer balapelong da ka dor ba Shnong Lachaumiere haka nyautre ujileu arja pesan haka ni ka jingya Kjat balaya pelun ya ka Shnong Lachaumiere lai shimentalang da ka menteri ka sarkar jilla ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo ka balong ru ka MRA jong ka East Shillong constituency urang ba Shnong Dr. Amanwar ki noyalam jong ka sengsamla bat ka sengkenthai lem bat ki khana school ka Loreto Convent Shillong bat ki samla pule jong ka St. Anthony's College Shillong hagani ka sngi ki pat ba kilai shimentalang ha ka jingthong ya ki tenrai dieng kum shibenta ban penek pensa ya ka jingjerngam jong ka meimariang.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.